Hello players, this could be the most valuable stroke video you're going to ever see. Notice how my cue is veering off the shot line. Now look what happens when I make one subtle adjustment. I'll be revealing why our cue veers to the side, the necessary adjustment that needs to be made, and how we can ingrain our newly developed straight pool stroke. Now let's take a look at my stroke that I've been using for the last 4 years. I want you to pay close attention to my upper arm and elbow position. And as I stop action here, notice how the cue has veered during my follow through. The reason this has occurred is my upper arm has moved off the shot line. Notice how it tips back in towards my body. So here's a good way to look at it. If we stand straight with our arms to our side and we go to shake someone's hand, we bring our right hand up and it's straight out in front of us. But what if we tip our shoulder back? We bring our hand down, now we rotate our shoulder behind us, our hand comes to the side and not straight out. Now what happens if we tip it forward? If we tip it forward, our hand comes inside. So what is happening here when we come down on the shot? If our shoulder and our arm, our upper arm is behind us, our lower arm, our forearm will go to the side. If we're straight behind us, we'll come straight through. If we're tipped out, we'll come across. That's how you can look at it. So let's get back to our overhead view. And believe it or not, Efren Reyes has his elbow tucked behind his head like this. And I actually imitated Efren early on when I started playing. Now you might be thinking that if it's good enough for Efren, it's good enough for any player. Well, this can work, as in Efren's case, but the player will have to overcome by making adjustments that adapt to the misalignment. So the adjustment that needs to be made is to move our elbow outward to parallel our upper arm with the shot line. Then from here, it's just a matter of making a nice, smooth pool stroke. So this is what I'm going to do to ingrain the change of my new arm position. I have this old mirror that's been sitting around for a while, and it's sitting on the floor right now, and it comes up quite high, and it's perfect height-wise so I can see myself. From here, I'm going to move my arm to where I know it's straight. This is too far back. That's where I've been shooting. And now I'm going to bring it down the line, and then I'm just going to make smooth strokes and pocket the shot to ingrain change. And I'm going to do that over and over again until I work that feel for where my arm position needs to be. Instead of it being tucked back, it's going to be right down the shot line. I hope that you that are veering your cue found this to be very helpful. I have struggled with this for many years. I was always thinking it was my lower arm. It's the upper arm, getting it aligned with the shot line. If you guys have any questions or comments about this video, leave them in the comments section below. Also, please share this video. It helps my channel immensely, and I need your help. And if you want to watch another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.